everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel today with Baby May. So in now my video today, I'm very surprised because I have the box, balikbayan box from
MAAM
MAAM.
May, Serencio Panoy. Thank you so much, Mom, for the 3 box. And I have a 2 box, and Ate Mays and Baby Paul have 1 box of this one. So we unboxing this, what is inside. And I have a video, the 2 box that I opened. And thank you so much, Mom May, Serencio Panoy, always for the blessing that you give us and the twins, and also the Baby and Paul. And more blessing to comes, and good health always with your family, Mom May.
Yeah. Thank you so much, MAAM May. Let's go for open the box. Ikaw pa, ikaw istorya kay... So, Mommy, I'm really appreciate for your sending the box in my country. I'm very surprised. So, I tell you, the first,
So, the first one, Ate Mays opened the plastic. And what
the
is...
clothes.
Wow, the clothes.
Wow, thank you so much, Mommy. And then, wow, it's a lot the t-shirt. Wow.
And this is
Thank
also...
you so much, Mommy.
And this is 7 t-shirts.
T-shirt?
Oh.
Pakita. Okay, 7 t-shirts. Wow, it's a lot. Thank you so much, Mommy, for your sharing your blessing. Thank you so much. Oh my God, it's a lot. Thank you so much, me. Wow.
Oh, polo shirts?
Yeah, polo shorts.
Polo
Go to the
shirts.
default. It's polo shorts.
Yeah.
Because the default, he loved the polo shorts. Oh, Nika, say hi. Say hi to the video.
Hi.
Say thank you. Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.
Tingin sa camera, ma'am.
Thank you, Mommy.
Mommy.
Give the flying kiss. I love you, Mommy.
I love you, Mommy.
And this also is buttermilk.
Wow.
Polo shirts,
Yeah,
very
polo
nice.
shorts, very nice. It's good to the default for wearing that. Thank you so much, Mommy. I'm so happy, and the default is happy too. If the default he come back to here in the Philippines. Wow, it's a lot.
Yeah, this is also for good your cooking. Buttermilk.
Yeah.
Complete pancake mix.
Wow, it's nice. Okay.
And, oh nice.
What's that?
Lemon iced tea.
Wow.
The lemon iced tea. And the secret powder fresh. You have also a secret powder fresh.
Wow, Mommy, thank you so much, Mommy. You're very kind.
And this is good for ice. Making
yeah.
water ice.
Yeah, because in the house,
Okay.
I'm not have the for the ice, plastic ice. Yeah, plastic
Oh.
ice.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
okay.
Thank you so much, Mommy,
And
for
this-
your sending the blessing.
And this is for the Pearl Milling Company.
For syrup.
Oh,
For
syrup.
the pancake. Yeah, pancake.
And the spaghetti.
Wow. I love
You
it
love
because
cooking.
I love cooking for the spaghetti for go to the swimming with the friends. Oh, thank you so much, Mommy.
And this is the quick tip stick.
Yeah, for barbecue.
Barbecue.
Yeah.
And this is the chef.
Oh, shaver.
Shaver.
Okay, thank you so much. The people, he love that for shaver. It's good for that because in here in the Philippines, it's not strong for the shaver. If I buy in the store, not strong, but that is very strong. Thank you so much, Mommy.
And this is the pain reliever.
Oh, it's good for the default.
And-
because the default always have the pen box, so it's good for the default the medicine. Thank you so
And
much,
this is
Mommy.
the Present Sodium Capsule pain reliever.
Oh yeah, it's a lot. Thank you so much, Mommy.
Oh,
The pasta is spaghetti. I have a lot for the cooking.
wow, there's also
Mommy, you're so kind.
Colgate.
Ito lang. Oh, the Colgate. Wow. I'm not no need buy in the store, Mommy.
Yeah, Colgate is expensive
Yeah.
in the mall.
You give me it's a lot and then very complete, Mommy. Thank you so much.
And this is also for the medicine in headache, fever,
server. Yeah, it's nice. I'm so happy. And then you surprised me.
And it's also for the fever and headache also.
Oh.
The medicine.
It's good for me because I always have headache. Thank you, Mommy. I love you so much. Thank you.
And this is a Theraflu. It's just like a tea.
I like ate. Oh, yeah, it's good that.
And it's 3 pieces.
Wow, it's a lot.
I love you.
Mami, is you a lot sending me in her in the Philippines. You very kindness.
You have all this and for your cooking.
Wow, it's good. Wow, it's good that because
For cooking also so that you cannot feel hot.
yeah, it's nice that because I need that in the house. Also, Mami, I'm not buying the store because you give me complete.
And
Senior, have the toys too.
thank you so much to the toys.
I didn't have toothbrush. Wow. Wow, it's very nice.
You have plenty.
Plastic the, what's the name?
Cooking pot.
No, what's the name that? I don't know what's the English.
Get that.
And the Philippine sandok. Wow, Mami, thank you so much. You give me a lot. You're very kindness. I always tell in my YouTube channel you're very kindness because
Yes,
your sending is a lot.
Many.
Yeah. Wow.
And the liquid, great value. It's a pain reliever.
Oh, it's good. It's good to the dipole. It's a lot for medicine.
And this also is sunscreen.
Oh, the dipole. It's good that because the dipole always have the
Rashes.
yeah in the sunburn. So it's good for the dipole that. Ma'am May, thank you so much for thanking for sending here for the medicine, for the
Cooking it.
sunscreen, and then it's a lot.
Yeah, and this is a Parmesan cheese.
Yeah, Parmesan cheese. Wow.
And this is the red hot wings. Salaswas. It's very hot.
Yeah, the dipole like that. He like that.
And Pearl Milling Company.
What's that? Syrup. Sweet for the pancake.
And mac and cheese.
Wow.
Mac and cheese. Beef pepperoni.
Wow, I love it.
And it's a pasta for cheese.
Yeah.
And this one is the, I don't know
What's
is
that?
Not name.
I think in what's the name that?
I don't know what is that name. And I what is the purpose.
I don't know what's
This is
that.
also for pain reliever also.
I don't know what is that.
And this is copper tone sunscreen lotion.
Wow! The dipole you a lot for your sunburn. If you're swimming in the ocean, in the beach, beach resorts.
In the beach, you can use sunscreen so that your body gonna
Wow! The dipole no
And
need
more.
buy there in the US because Ma'am May is a lot for sending here. It's very complete.
And this is for cutie, like for sugar.
Yeah, wow.
And another beef pasta sauce.
Wow, it's so a lot.
And this is the
Ah.
cooking.
For the, what's the name? For if you're,
Like fruit, I'm making
yeah, if
Slice?
you're, if for the push the, if the
like
have the,
patata.
no, if the have the, like the,
cheese.
lemon.
Lemon.
Yeah, push.
And this is also for the cooking.
Wow, it's a lot.
And putting rice or food.
Yeah.
And this
Tupperware.
is
Is that Tupperware?
Douglas t-shirts.
Wow! My God, nurse! Daddy Paul, you know, Mami, Daddy Paul, he loved the white t-shirt. Thank you so much, Mami. Oh my God, so a lot.
And hand sanitizer natural and
Wow.
another sunscreen spray.
Wow. Mami, you're so kindness. God gave you a lot for the more blessing because your kindness.
Say hi to the vlog.
Say hi, Senor. Say hi to Mami.
Hi.
Say
And
hi.
for the t-shirt and other clothes.
What's that?
Sunscreen spray and
Wow, sunscreen. My God, it's a lot sunscreen. How
hand
many?
sanitizer.
3 pieces. Wow.
Hand sanitizer.
Wow.
You have this one also.
Mami, you're so kindness.
Family care. It's 3 pieces family care.
What's that?
3 pieces of family care.
Oh, wow, it's good for the
Potato.
mosquitoes. Wow.
Cream shave. Cream shave.
Oh, yeah. Cream sheep.
Oh.
Oh, Daddy Paul is good for the sheep, for the, what's the name that?
In here,
Ano ba the name? The, like the Santa Claus, what the name there? Burb. I think burb. Daddy Paul had tell me before burb. It's good to Daddy Paul that put sheep in sheep the burb her. Wow, thank you so much.
this is a pink eye relief.
Wow. Ma'am May.
Plenty clothes, kids,
What's that?
and
For the, for your, if you have the food, no.
no, and there's this emergency first aid. If you have some scars on your you can band-aid.
For example, the medicine.
And this also a secret powder fresh. It's 2
Wow.
pieces. The 1
So,
pieces.
4 pieces is a lot.
Yeah.
Wow, so very kind, Ma'am May.
This is for your washing your
Yeah.
plates.
I have now that because in the house I'm not have that. So in now I have. Wow, Ma'am May.
And the measuring cup.
Yeah, I need that. And people he need that too. For measure for example, make the coffee. Yeah.
And this one is plastic spoon.
Yeah, plus spoon. So I'm not buy in the store. I have the complete now.
And this also for another
Yeah.
good for your spaghetti.
Spaghetti sauce.
Another shaver.
Wow, it's a lot. Oh my G. I have that. Tadipol, if you're watching the video, look, it's a lot for your shaver. No need buy because
thanks to Ma'am
Ma'am
May.
May have already for sending her in the Philippines. Risa for receive.
And
Wow.
chopping board.
Yes.
The
Chopping board. Wow.
And the 3 pieces chopping board.
Wow, 3 pieces. I love you, Ma'am May, because you give me the 3 pieces. The meaning is I love you.
And this one is the
Cooking pan.
Yeah, cooking pan.
Wow, it's good for the cooking like the egg. Yeah.
Yeah, this one also.
Yeah, it's a lot. Wow.
So this one also needs for the washing plates. And extra green, my green. Extra green, my green.
Wow. Guys, sorry. Little noisy because senior and junior he's fighting. Look, guys. Wait, I saw you. I saw you for senior. What doing? Senior. Fighting to junior. Senior, why you fighting to your twin? Huh? What? Huh? I think senior he noisy to junior, so that's why he fighting to junior. May, thank you so much. You surprised me and the default to Anrisa.
Yes, Mami shipped this Balikbayan box, 3 box in December, and it's still 3 months, and it's very wow. It's plenty of things that she give us.
Yeah.
And thank you so much, Mami, for the blessing that you give.
Yeah.
Me, I'm super happy, and the kids, and thank you so much, Mami. More blessing to come.
Yeah, Mami, I'm very happy, and then you're so kindness, and then to all my family, I share that, and then God gave you for more blessing because you give me for the sharing the it's a lot the blessing from you. It's so you're very kindness, and thank you so much, Mami. And guys, look, it's very a lot the gift from from me, my subscriber, and then
Yeah, subscriber.
both subscriber.
Yes, thank you so much, Mami, for this everything.
Yeah, so guys, that is my video today for unboxing from Mami Panoy from US. Yeah, I think from
I
US.
forget the Sorry.
Tiris for me to be
Terrence
Florida.
Florida.
Yeah, Florida, yeah.
Okay, Florida.
Yeah. Can you read? For very clear.
Ano din siya?
Yeah. Ma'am, that's the sure name. Lori.
From
Hernandez.
Lori Hernandez from Florida.
Yeah, from Florida.
Yes.
Ma'am May, I would like thank you again. Thank you so much for your kindness and your sending the box. Your very kindness. Thank you so much, Mommy. I really appreciate Andrisa
Yeah, I really appreciate Ma'am May for your blessing that you share us.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ma'am May, for everything, for this
Yeah.
big gift for us. Thank you so
Yeah.
much, Ma'am May.
Yeah, and then God give more blessing with you because you're very
Yeah, with
kindness.
your family, good health always.
Yeah, so guys, that is my video today for unboxing. So see you next video. Bye bye.